This video is on the new invoice processing system, which will be in effect starting September 1st. It's designed to help you navigate your way through what will be required and what it will be like to process invoices with BNC after September 1st. I hope you'll find it easier, a little bit simpler. We've reduced the number of databases down to one. And we added some filters in there to help you work with your tickets. So we're going to focus a couple of things on special service tickets, how to view them, how to manage them, how to close them out, as well as the PM power washing services. So you all should have at least two of these views into your assigned services. Open would be services in which you haven't been paid for yet, and then completed would be those would be the past months in which you've been completed. We have some dummied up data here to kind of help show you what the system looks like going forward. One of the areas that is a major change is special services. In the past, many of you have had to look at your PM power washing database, then you had to go to special services to see what was available. When they were done, you IVR'd in your ticket, and then the IVR came over sometimes and sometimes it didn't. That's all going to change as of September 1st. It's all going to be consolidated down into your invoicing. So when you're assigned a C ticket, you will get an email which will indicate that the ticket there is available, and at the same time you get the email, it should pop up here within your invoicing area. And in order to help you locate and find those items, we have added a number of different filters that are in here that will help you focus on those particular services that you're working on. So for special services, you'd click on special services, and that should highlight those special tickets that you're given that need to be processed, like coolers or power washing, or could be an extra windows or a carpet. It'll just focus in on those. If you want to see just what your PM power washing services are, it will list just your PM power washing services and anything that's incomplete. Now, what is complete or incomplete? Complete basically is that you have a service state and you have a ticket that's attached that matches the service state and the service itself. So in order for you to record a service as being done, you simply have to find that service, and you go into that service, you click on attach. You find the ticket. Again, this is all dummied up data, but you just find that ticket. You click on open, so it attaches to your file. You pick your service state. If it was done on the 4th, you pick the 4th. You say update, and that's all that needs to be done. There's no other information that you need to record for that ticket. Every service you have available will be pre-populated. If you want to see what's just available for you that hasn't been completed, you just check on your incomplete services, and it will just focus on those items that aren't complete. So you might say, hey, this one is it's got a date on it, but it doesn't have an attachment. And you'll notice over here that the status is audit, and there'll be a comment as to why, no ticket attached. So you just need to attach the ticket to this one. This one has a service state and an attachment, but yet it's still an incomplete. Again, go over to your comments and you see here it says ticket does not match store number. So somebody probably attached the wrong ticket to this account. And that's the new invoicing system. We hope you find it easier. And if you have any questions, let us know. Again, use these filters to help you zero in on those services that you want to focus on or that are available. Remember, you have a lot of powerful search capabilities. So if you want to see everything that you have done, you can click on here and search, and you can put a service range, or you can say service states is not empty. You can search on that. Click on the search button down below. It'll just list those services which have a service date on them. If you want to see the ones that have the service date and attachment, you can do the same thing, is not empty. You can hit that, and this shows you all the items that you've completed. And just like on the drop downs here, you can say incomplete services, and it'll list those for you. You can do the same thing yourself. You can list all services, which lists complete and incomplete, and then you can go in here again on your search, and then you can say where the service state is empty and does not, your attachment is empty. And this would show you items that you still have to do as well. So you can use manually put in your amounts in here. If you want to do a run and you want to see, something that's within a particular location, you want to see everything that's in a particular city, you can just type in your city here, and it will just list those items that are on a city. But again, keep in mind this is a dynamic list, and as you make the changes or as we add changes, they will show up here as well.